Your iPhone 16e is stunning, powerful, and incredibly fragile. One bad drop, and bam! You're staring at a shattered screen and a costly repair. What to look for in an iPhone 16e case? Before we jump into the top picks, let's break down what makes a great iPhone 16e case. Protection. If you're prone to drops, look for reinforced corners, shock absorption, and military-grade ratings. My top pick? The ESR HaloLock. Cyber tough case. It's practically an armor suit for your iPhone. MagSafe and wireless charging. The iPhone 16e doesn't come with built-in MagSafe, but some cases add magnets for MagSafe compatibility. Grip and comfort. If you drop your phone often or have sweaty hands, look for textured cases like the Spigen liquid air case. MagFit. It won't slip, even on slick surfaces. Slim versus rugged. Want something lightweight? Go slim. Need protection for extreme conditions? Rugged is the way to go. Material choice: silicone, hard plastic, or leather. Each has its perks. I personally love the Apple silicone case for that soft, grippy feel. Price and reviews. A great case doesn't have to break the bank. We'll cover some solid budget-friendly picks too. Best basic case: Apple silicone case. Timeless, sleek, and dependable, this case embodies simplicity without compromising functionality. Specifically designed for grip and durability, it offers a secure hold that prevents slips and drops. If you're seeking a straightforward yet effective solution to protect your device while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic, look no further. This case checks all the boxes for style and practicality. Sleek spy gear, Spigen liquid air, MagFit. Experience a sleek matte finish that not only elevates the aesthetics of your device, but also features advanced anti-fingerprint technology, ensuring your phone stays pristine and smudge-free. Designed with MagSafe compatibility, this case is perfect for those who value convenience and efficiency. Ideal for discreet professionals and everyday users alike, it allows you to keep your phone incognito while still providing easy access to all essential features. Perfect for the modern-day spy, this case combines style, protection, and functionality seamlessly. Best slim case: TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit Case. This case is crafted to be one of the thinnest options available on the market while still maintaining full support for wireless charging functionality. Its sleek design not only preserves the slim profile of your device, but also ensures that you can charge your phone wirelessly without the need to remove the case, providing both convenience and style. Most rugged case: UAG Essential Armor Case. If you find yourself frequently dropping your phone, you'll appreciate that this device is designed with exceptional durability in mind, featuring a robust build that can withstand significant impacts and accidental falls. Its reinforced edges and scratch-resistant glass ensure that it remains intact even under everyday stresses, providing peace of mind for those who lead an active lifestyle. Minimalist magic: elago. Liquid silicone. Sleek and stylish, this device offers a modern aesthetic that's perfect for the fashion-conscious individual. Priced affordably compared to Apple's offerings, it provides both quality and value. Designed for those who appreciate a carefree, effortlessly polished look, it's the ideal choice for anyone who wants to make a statement without compromising on functionality. Best military-grade protection: ESR HaloLock. Cyber tough case. Featuring reinforced corners for added durability, this case is specifically designed to absorb shocks and protect your device from accidental drops. Additionally, it is MagSafe ready, allowing for seamless attachment of accessories and effortless wireless charging. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your device is safeguarded without sacrificing style or functionality. Best stylish case: Smartish Gripmunk Magnetic Slim Case. Our collection features fun, stylish, and customizable designs that cater to various tastes and preferences. Each piece can be tailored to reflect your unique personality, allowing you to choose from a range of colors, patterns, and materials. Whether you're looking for playful accessories or chic apparel, our designs are crafted to ensure you stand out while feeling comfortable and confident. Best with glass protector: SPIDERCASE. Full body protective case. Equipped with a high-quality built-in screen protector, this device offers enhanced security against scratches, fingerprints, and accidental impacts. The protector seamlessly integrates with the device's design, ensuring maximum clarity and responsiveness while safeguarding the screen from daily wear and tear. Best with kickstand and holster. FNTCASE Heavy Duty. Protector ideal for hands-free viewing and designed for durability in rugged environments, this product features a sturdy build that can withstand the demands of outdoor use. Its adjustable angles ensure optimal viewing comfort, making it perfect for activities such as camping, hiking, or working on the go. Your iPhone 16e deserves the best protection, because let's be real, replacing a shattered phone is not cheap. And hey, if you love the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.